Let me share my screen here. So, okay. So let me go to this, the SQL server. I connected to the SQL server. And here, this is a demo DB is a database. Okay. I'll click on new query. I've selected the demo DB. Click on new query here. Okay. Right. So let's talk about the constraints in SQL server. Okay. We'll talk on constraints on SQL server. So what do you mean by constraint? What do you mean by constraints, and how many types of how many types of constraints are available in SQL Server? Okay, let's talk. So constraint is nothing but so constraint is nothing but enforcing forcing a rule, enforcing rule rule or condition on the columns of a table. So you're defining a rule. What do you mean by that rule? So you don't want to, like, you don't want to allow null values, don't want to allow duplicate values. Okay. And you want to create relationship between tables. Okay, these type of things. And you want to, yeah. So these are the few of the these are this is what you are going to enforce some rules on the column of tables. So we have five different five types of constraints in SQL Server. So the first one is not null, means it doesn't allow null values. Second one, check constraint. So this is not null constraint. First one, not null constraint. And this is check constraint, means while inserting value, it is going to validate. The third one, default constraint, means when user doesn't supply value, so the default value that you have defined, default value that you have defined will be taken. The next one is unique constraint. So it allows only one null value and only one null value and unique values. So it doesn't allow duplicate values. The next one is primary key constraint. So it allows it allows only unique values. So no duplicates and no null values. The second one, the last one is foreign key constraint. So this constraint, it is used to create relationship between tables. So like the relation between country table like a relation between city table to state table to country table. So this is how you need to go, and so this, when you select city, so city table, state table, and country table. So the relationship, right? So city falls in state, state falls in country. So these type of relationship. So you can go and create. So these are the few constraints. So we'll work on these constraints. So very important. So you can define, the next thing is you can define constraints at column level, in the table. At the same time, you can define constraints at table level also. Both you can do it. So we'll talk those all types of constraints as we go on. So let's talk on after this. So we'll talk on the null constraint also. Okay. I think you got some useful information from this video. Please subscribe my channel and pass this information to other people also. Thank you. Thank you for watching.